To schedule an academic advising meeting with a College of Education advisor for your minor program, begin by logging into advisingworks.wayne.edu. This opens up your dashboard. From there, click the blue button that says Get Assistance. On this page, select Advising for appointment type, then select Explore Major/Minor, then scroll and select your minor program from the list provided. On this next page, select College of Education for location, and then select the advisor that you'd like to meet with from that program. From there, browse the advisor's available date and times, select your appointment, then select whether you'd like an email or text message reminder and confirm your appointment. If you are not already a Wayne State student and would like to meet with a College of Education academic advisor, please find the contact for the advisor within your desired minor and email them a request for an advising appointment. Or stop into our office on Tuesdays from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. for open advising.